Yeah, it looks like a pile of parts now, but I guarantee this will be running by tomorrow. This is a 2008 Suzuki KingQuad 750. I got all the fenders off. I was originally trying to rebuild the engine, but soon found out that it had a bad crankshaft. I couldn't even get the pin out of here. It was so seized. This thing was so full of water. It's good for parts, but I found another machine, got a good deal on the machine, and it's got a good engine. I think I paid $700-800 for the wheeler with a good engine. So yeah, for that price, I can't even replace the crankshaft on that other engine. So I got a really good deal on it. It runs good. The machine was beat up, but a lot of spare parts. We're gonna go ahead and put that in there. I'm excited. I don't think I've had a Suzuki KingQuad 750 before. I had a 700 a long time ago, but we'll give her a whirl. All right, so if you saw my little video yesterday, I might have been a little over-ambitious on this project. I said it was going to be running today. Well, technically it is running, but it's definitely not put back together. This is the '08 Suzuki KingQuad 750 project I've been working on. So for one, I'll show you what gave me trouble here. For a minute, I got everything hooked up and went to fire it up. It started. But you can see, got a fuel injection light right there, right there. Yeah, that speedo's not bolted up or anything yet. But anyways, you can tell there's no codes or anything that this gives you. It just gives you an arrow light, and you can see it's fuel injection. So what you got to do, under the seat here, there's a little diagnostics plug. So if you don't have the little dealer pigtail, you just take your jumper wire, put it right in here. If you're looking at the top of the plug, it's both right-hand sides. It's going to be the black with the white stripe and the white with the red stripe wire. Most Suzukis, it'll be the same. Come back up here, turn the key on, and it should, yeah, so you see the fuel injection light goes away. You'll see our code right there. It is C13. We looked that up online. It shows the intake air sensor. So I started digging around. What did I find? Everything looks fine. The hose looks fine. What did I find? That wasn't plugged in all the way. It was literally just like I showed you. So that took a few minutes to find. But yeah, now I can show you, at least it is running. Might not be driving yet, but it's running. I said it was going to be running today. But yeah, so still got a ways to go. Fenders are just sitting on there. Got to do the front fenders. Well, that's as done as she's gonna get right now. Well, we got her all done. So we're missing a few parts still, which I can't believe. I had two of these machines, and neither one of them had this left side panel. And I believe, I gotta look it up online, but I believe there's supposed to be a little plastic piece that clips into there. But other than that, she's ready to go. Pretty much just need to give her a little test drive now. Sounds good. Seems to go pretty good. So that'll be the next video. So we got this 2008 Suzuki KingQuad 750. I just got put together. The thing runs good, goes good, but the fenders are kind of, it's been sitting for 3 years probably. The fenders are pretty ugly looking. I'm going to pull these racks back off and see if we can get these things looking good. Alright, so now that we got it all cleaned up, you can see we still got some coloration issues on this. And, you know, like I said, from a distance it might not look bad, but I don't care for it. So we're going to see if we can get these things to shine again. 100 grit sandpaper. Spray that down. You're just going to gently go with it. What do you guys think? It's not 100%, but I think it's a lot better than it was. You know, if I would have spent a lot more time on it, probably could have got better results, but about an hour and a half, and this is what it looks like. We have a 2008 Suzuki KingQuad 750 here. We're going to be giving it a little test drive. Take this KingQuad 750 and do a little top speed run on it. High range, 2-wheel drive. Looking like she was bouncing off the rev limiter around 64, maybe 65 miles an hour on the speedo.